Hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Patil and I will explain about stop words. First of all, aim is consider a suitable data set, remove stop words and apply a stemming and feature selection techniques to represent a document as vectors and classify a document and evaluate precision and recall. Now we will see about precision and recall. Now we will see about precision. Precision attempts to answer the following question. Precision is defined as follow. Precision equals to TP upon TP plus FP. Let us calculate the precision for our ML model from the previous section that analyzes the tumors. The true positive is TP1, false positive is 1, false negative is 8 and true negative is 90. The formula for precision is precision equals to TP upon TP plus FP. Now we have to calculate our model precision, which we have taken a value 1 plus 1 equals to 0.5. Our model has precision of 0.8. In other words, when it predicts a tumor is a malignant, it is correct 50% of time. Recall attempts to answer the following question. Mathematically, recall is defined as follow. Recall equals to TP upon TP plus Fn. Let's calculate the recall for our tumor classifier. If value are true positive is 1, false negative is 1, false positive is 1 and false negative is 8, true negative is 90. For a recall formula is recall equals to TP upon TP plus Fn. The value we have taken equals to 1 upon 1 plus 8 equals to 0.11, and our model has recall of 0.11. In other words, it correctly identifies the 11% of malignant tumors. Now we will see about objective implementation of the problem statement using Python and removing a stop word, applying a stemming and feature selection. Now we will see about stop words. Stop word is a commonly used word such as the, and in that search engine has been programmed to ignore both when indexing entries for searching when retrieving them as result for such a query. We should not want this word to take up a space in our database or taking up valuable processing time. For this, we can remove them easily by storing a list of words that you consider to stop words. NLTK means natural language toolkit in a Python has a list of stop words stored in a 16 different languages. You can find them in the NLTK underscore data directory. Now there are two tables: the sample text with the stop words and without stop words. For a sample text with stop word is Geeks for Geeks, a computer science portal for geeks, and Geeks for Geeks, computer science portal geeks. Can listening be exhausting? Listening exhausting. I like reading, so I read. Like reading, read. Now to check the list of stop word, can type the following command in the Python shell. Import NLTK from nltk.props import stopwords and print stopwords.word English. Now we will see a theory part of stop words. In computing, stop words are words which are filtered out before or after processing of natural language data. Though a stop word usually refers to the most common words in a language, there is a so single universal list of stop words used by all natural language processing tools, and indeed not all the tools even use such a list. Some tools specifically avoid removing these stop words to support phrase search. Any group of words can be chosen as a stop word for a given purpose. For such, for some search engines, these are some of the most common short function words such as the, is, at, which, and on. In this case, stop word can cause a problem when searching for a phrases that includes them, particularly in a name such as the, who, the, or that. Take that. Other search engines remove some of the most common words, including lexical words such as want from a query in order to improve performance. Now we will see about implementation of code. First of all, we have import NLTK and then NLTK dot downloads and in bracket stop words. Now we have run the program. Now we can see that uh, after that we have to import NLTK download and pung. After that, we have seen a code to remove a stop word with the NLTK tool in Python code. From nltk.tokenize import and send underscore tokenize word underscore tokenize. From nltk.crops import a stop word. After that, we have data in which we have data equals to all the work and no play makes jack dull boy all word and no play makes a jack a dull boy. Stop word equals to set a stop word dot words and bracket English. Words equals to word tokenize data. The words filter for W in a words if W not in a stop word. Word filter dot append print words filter. Now this will print all the sentence in a bracket. Now we will see about steaming. Steaming is the process of reducing inflected word to the word to their word stem base or root from form, generally a written word from form. The stem need to be identically to be morphological root of the word. It is usually sufficient that related word map to the same stem, even if this stem is not in itself a valid root. Algorithms for a stemming have been studied in a computer science since the 1960s. Many search engines treat word with the same stem as synonymous as kind of query expansion, a process called confliction. A suffix stripping algorithm is a famous for stemming. Now we will see about code implementation. Now we will see the implementation of code from NLTK dot stream importer porter streamer from NLTK dot token size tokenized importer send underscore tokenize comma word underscore tokenize ps equal to porter streamer example underscore words equals to Python, Pythoner, Pythoning, Python, common Python, nullly for W in example word print ps dot steam. Now we have run the program. Now we can see all are in series. Now we will see about suffix stripping algorithm. Suffix stripping algorithm do not rely on a lookup table that consists of inflected form and root from relation. Instead, a typically smaller list of rules is stored which provides a path from algorithm given an input word from to find its root form. Some example of the rules include if the word ends in ed, remove the ed. If the word end in ing, removes ing. The word ends in ly, removes the ly. The suffix stripping approaches enjoy the benefit of keep being much simpler to maintain than a brute force algorithm, assuming the maintainer is sufficiently knowledgeable in challenges of linguistics and morphology and including suffix stripping rule. Suffix stripping algorithms are sometimes regarded as crude given the poor performance when dealing the expectational relation like ran and run. The solution produced by a suffix stripping algorithm are limited to those lexal category which have well known suffix with few expectation. This is however uh, is a problem as not all a part of the speech such as well formulated set of rules. Now we will see about feature extraction in machine learning and statics. Feature selection, also known as variable selection, attribute selection, or variable subset selection, is a process of selecting a subset of relevant feature for use in a model construction. First, feature selection techniques are used for four reasons. For simplification of model to make them easier to interpret by users. Second, shorter training times. Third, to avoid the curse of dimensionality. Fifth, enhance the generalization by reducing overfitting. Formally, reduction of variance. The feature of extraction architecture. Now this is the architecture of feature extraction. Now the figure shows the architecture of simple information extraction system. It begins by processing by a document using several of the procedure discussed in 3 and 5. First, raw text of document is split into a sentence using a sentence segmentary and such, and each sentence is further subdivided into a word using next each step is tagged with the part of such a tag which will prove very helpful in the next step. Name entity detection. In this step we search for the mention of potentially interesting entity in each sentence. Finally, we use relation detection to search for likely relations between different entity in the text. Now we will conclude the topic. Thus, we have studied to remove stop words, applying stemming and feature extraction technique to represent a document as vector.